Hey guys, this is the new trade for you. This is the trade in oil. We are selling oil at the market, and this is the target and this is the stop for this trade. Around 1:2 trade, and we'll see how this trade played out. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, this is the next update into the crude oil trade which we have taken yesterday. We are moving towards our targets and we would be booking our full of the profits at the target because this is a Friday and I don't want to carry any trade for Monday because I have some reasons for that. But if you want to carry your trade, you have done your analysis, you're well and good to do so. I'm telling what I'm gonna do with this trade, and if the target is get hit or we have stopped out, I'll be updating you as well. So I'll see you soon, but still my recommendation would be you should get out of the trade at the target. Hey guys, so this is the final update on the oil trade which we took yesterday. It was a positional trade. We are hitting the target and booking all the profits. So everybody in the trading room should get out of the trade. No need to carry any trade for this weekend. We have already discussed that topic. Alright, this is our sixth trade of the day. We don't want to lose any money by doing silly mistakes in the market. So enjoy your weekends, have fun with the family and friends. I would see everybody on Monday. This is India Trading Academy signing off. Thanks a lot.